Our delegation proceeded to invoke this provision. If at the end of the 7 days we will not be able to resume the talks will be considered to have collapsed. A number of other issues have emerged from the talks. One is that the Kenya Kwanza side is essentially several teams in one. The members are answering to different bosses and are not moving in the same direction. They are getting different instructions and are clearly pulling in different directions. Secondly, Kenya Kwanza has no clear direction on whether the talks should proceed or not. Deliberately, they have no clear direction from Mr. William Ruto on how to proceed. 3, Kenya Kwanza sees the talks as a process of managing the political situation, calming down the political temperatures, and continue with business as usual. 4th, the destabilization of the Jubilee Party is a do-or-die agenda sponsored by the highest level of Kenya Kwanza leadership, whose aim is to ensure Kenya Kwanza obtains a super majority in parliament and amends the constitution, removes presidential term limits, abolishes devolution, and removes the independence of constitutional commissions and place them as part of the presidency. Kenya Kwanza also wants to remove the necessity of parliament approving every tax measures and wants to give the president power to impose some taxes without always having to go through the finance bill for every increase. In light of the above, we state as follows. 1, we endorse the decision by our delegation to walk out of the talks. Until Kenya Kwanza agrees to deal with the interim issues raised by the team, the talks will remain suspended. 2, the issue of opening the servers, cost of living, cessation of attacks on Jubilee and other political parties are not negotiable. 3, we recognize there is